we're talking about the dichotomy of determinism and possibilism. Determinism and possibilism. The first dichotomy was physical versus human geography. This is determinism versus possibilism. Okay. Now, a couple of points. The first point here is that determinism and possibilism are relevant in human geography studies. Okay. This debate started after geography as only physical geography, okay, had ended. Okay. Increasingly, geographers had already accepted that both physical and human aspects are integral to geography. Okay. Read on, please. Determinism, possibilism are relevant in human geography studies. They're relevant in human geography studies. And this debate started after geography, as only physical geography had ended. So that point was taken care. That geography is both physical plus human. Geography is integrated. ये वाला पहले establish हो गया. It is done. Now the debate starts. Okay, a new form called determinism versus possibilism. Okay, the third point here. Determinism and possibilism are about what determines human aspects are, and how does man, okay, make choices and decide on man environment relationship. A debate क्या है? Determinism and possibilism are about what determines, what is it that decides, what determines what human aspects are. Okay, so what human aspects का मतलब है, think of agriculture, think of transport infrastructure, think of houses that we make, think of the economy that we have, think of what type of political systems that we have. Human aspect का मतलब क्या है? Human aspect is whatever man does. So determinism, possibilism is about what determines human aspects and how does man make choices when man starts cultivation, when man starts building roads, when man starts making houses. What is it that decides the man-environment relationship? What decides man-environment relationships?